Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a 99 cents only haul for you guys. I have been going to several 99-cent stores over the last couple of weeks hunting for Halloween items because I saw some stores have them and some don't. So not all stores have the Halloween items out. Some of them have partial of what they're supposed to be getting. So the one that I went to today had the most that I've seen at any of the 99-cent stores in my area to date. So I did go ahead and pick up quite a bit of stuff, but not like a crazy amount. So I will go ahead and jump right in. I guess I'll go ahead and start with the foam characters. So the first one that I grabbed, he's probably going to be kind of hard to see because he is black, was this little foam kitty cat. He is absolutely adorable. I plan to take him to work to decorate my my cubicle. So I just thought he was really, really cute. I love his little orange hat up here, my little witchy cat. And then to go along with him, they also had another cat, which my mom said she thinks that it's the boy and the girl. So I think this one would be the girl cat. She's got a cute little gold bow here and just really, really adorable. So it does have glitter accents on her bow and her eyes, her little pink ears, and then her nose and mouth and her whiskers also have glitter. On the one with the witch's hat, it's actually just his little eyes that glitter and his mouth and then his one little pink ear over here. So I thought these were absolutely adorable. Here's both of them together. Just really, really cute. I'm really excited to take those to work with me to decorate my cube just to make it a little more festive and fun while I'm there 40 hours a week. So the next one is another of the foam items. This is the one that I was mostly looking for, and this is the 4-tiered spiders, and I love these. I think they are absolutely adorable. These are not, nope, they are, their eyes are glittery, and this particular style comes in purple, orange, green, and then the black and white. So I picked up the black and white just because I thought it was the cutest in my opinion, and I just really, really love these. I'm really excited to take these to work with me to decorate my stall, or my cube, I guess. And then I also grabbed one other of the foam shapes. This one is the purple owl, and in the border around it there's little pumpkins, and then it also says boo. And then there's a spider. So I thought that was really cute. And he is all glittered up and just really, really cute. So, and these are called felt hanging decor. So it's the official term for them. But I really, really love him. I think he's adorable. I also picked up one of the black creepy cloth. I'm planning to also take this to work just to kind of drape on my cubicle to make it kind of creepy for Halloween. So got one of these, and these come in black, gray, and then tan, or like a cream color. So I just went ahead and picked up the black one. I love it is like really like nice feeling. Maybe that's just me. And then I also found I found this little spider banner. So it's black and purple glittered spiders on a banner. And okay, so it does have a black ribbon in there that they're all connected to. Again, I'm going to take this to work with me. Next thing, these I know are quite sought after, and I was able to find both of them. These are the Nightmare Before Christmas makeup palette sets, or maybe not a palette. This is the one that I was most excited for, just because I really, really love the little pouch And these are also $1.99, so they're not 99 cents. This one comes with, I believe these are lip balms. So you get an orange, a purple, looks like shimmer, and then a yellow. I am not really sure. It says mood changing lipsticks. So I guess they change colors. I'm not really sure. I mostly just wanted it for the little Jack pouch, which I really, really like. I think it's absolutely adorable. I should have picked up a couple others that I can give these as gifts to some friends that I know that also really love Nightmare Before Christmas, because for $2, let's be real, this is not a bad deal for $2, even if you throw the makeup away. The other item, which is this one, this comes with like a quad, and these look like they are, so it says body paint kits with an eye pencil, 1 sheet tattoos, 1 set faux lashes, and 4 face paints. So these are face paints if you're going to paint your face to be Jack or Sally, or I don't know, some other character that would be black, orange, red, or white. The eye pencil, and then the like little tattoo set here I think is really cute, and I actually really like these lashes. I think these lashes are really fun. I'm deciding if I want to keep this set or give this set away to a friend, so I'll see what ends up happening with this one, but for $2 I figured why not, since I was there and it was there. The next item that I want to show you guys is one of the light up tombstones. So this little guy was 99 cents. The RIP is in a hot pink glitter, and he actually lights up in lots of colors. So we got blue, green, and yeah, blue, green, and red. Blue, green, red. And it flickers. And I just thought this was really, really fun. This will probably end up going to work with me. If not, it'll end up on my mantle for Halloween this year. So this I thought was really fun. They also had, I think, one other style in a tombstone, but like it was a different style on it. So this one just has the single skull, and then it's got 3 little skulls down here in like a rib cage, I guess. But I just really like this one, so I went ahead and grabbed this one. Be sure that if you do pick these up, that you make sure that in the bottom thing it has the little plastic piece to make sure that it will work, and that your battery is going to work at its optimum amount of time, instead of one that's been used numerous times with everybody walking through the store using the same one. So just a tip on that. I also picked up one of these. I know these have a name, but this is like one of those glass domes. This I actually have a DIY for. I am actually getting married in October, so I have a DIY planned for this. And I'm not going to say anything else about it because I'm probably going to do a tutorial on it once I gather the rest of the materials for it. So we'll see how that turns out. So keep an eye out for that if you're curious to see what I end up doing with this. And then the 2 large Halloween items that I picked up were this guy, which I thought was really fun. These are made out of plastic. I remember like 10 years ago, I was still in high school, and I was interested in buying some Halloween stuff to decorate my parents' house, and they had these type of things, but instead of it being plastic, they were actually cardboard. And I had him for a couple years, and then it was time to like throw him out because he was, you know, he was cardboard and all nasty at that point. So I was excited to kind of replace him and get one of these. This one is in like the, I guess, gold. They did have ones with like silver, like a brushed silver. So if you're into silver, they do have that variant of him. But this one, like I said, is the gold one. So there he is in his little thing. And then the last Halloween item that I got was one of the large candelabras. Since I've been decorating for Halloween, I've always wanted to get a candelabra. I'm always tempted every year when they come out with them at like Target and other stores. So I was really excited to get this one for only $5. He's got a little spider right here, and then it's got the big web, and then we obviously have the 3 candle holders. So I do need to go ahead and get some pillar candles to put on here, and then it's got the nice little base. These are made out of metal, which is really nice. I feel like the quality of these are really nice as well, considering that it was only $5. I just thought this was really fun. It would also be fun to put some like spider web, like the white webbing stuff that you get in the packages, and to kind of decorate it even more, or add a couple more little spiders to it, or even like spray painting to color to match your decorations, or whatever you wanted to do with this. It would be really, really fun. So that is that one. And then some, I guess I'll show you my one not very fun item. I did pick up one of these striped accent rugs. This was $2. I do have a cat, and he always makes a mess when he comes out of his litter box in the bathroom to where we have litter all over the place, and it's very painful when you step on the little grains of cat litter when you get out of the shower or to use the bathroom or whatever. And so I thought maybe if I got him a little rug to step on when he's done doing his business, that maybe it would help contain that, hopefully. So we'll see how that works. But I figured for $2 it matches our bathroom, and if it doesn't work I can always throw it away. It's only $2 to give it a try. So I went ahead and got that one. And then the last items that I picked up were these. These are called Disney Crossy Road Series 1. This is what they look like. And these are like Disney characters in 8-bit keychains is what they look like. So I got 3 of them. These all rang up for 99 cents. So I thought I would give them a try since I am a big Disney fan, and we'll see which ones I get. So I will go ahead and open these up right now. Okay, so they come in this little thing inside of there, and they're in blind bags. And then I believe this is the little checklist. So you can get Woody, Rex, Buzz, Alien, Hero, Baymax, Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Pluto, Simba, and Pumbaa. So there's all of them. And there's the back. I don't think that there's any like rare ones or anything like that. I'm probably hoping for either Pluto or Rex because I think they are the cutest. So let's see who we got in lucky bag number 1. Oh, we got the Alien. He's actually kind of cute. So there he is. Alright, let's go for the next one. It is kind of cool that these are in little blind bags inside of the bags. Ooh, and we got a Pumbaa. Oh, he's cool because his little legs actually move. So that's kind of cute. There he is. And the last one, let's see. Come on. people that I wanted to get. Oh, yes. Oh, get out of there. I got Pluto. Isn't he cute? He's adorable. Let's see, do his legs move? No. But I absolutely love him. He's super cute. Super excited that I did get one of the ones that I was hoping for. Alright guys, so that is gonna be it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe to make sure that you are up to date and ready for the next videos that I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!